Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you and I will show you how to use one of the free tools. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how Merge PDFs online tool works, which is one of the free tools that LiveChat AI offers. So this is a very convenient and free tool that quickly combines multiple PDF files into a single document. So first, let's choose our files. So individually, you can just preview some of the pages, or if you want, you can again individually rotate them, or if you want, you can just remove some of the pages by clicking this trash bin icon right here. And if you want to change the order some of the pages, you can just simply drag and drop wherever you want. By clicking on the plus icon right here, you can add more documents, or if you want, you can just rotate all of the pages with these buttons right here. Once you're happy with how the PDF documents look, you can just click Save and Download. So this is how easy merging your PDF files online using LiveChat AI's free tool. Go ahead, give it a try and let us know what you think.